Hi friends, today we are going to make rice. This is the simplest recipe in the whole wide world. The ingredients are just rice and water. So the only two things you would need to cook rice is measurement and time. For measurement, this is a small cup. 1 cup of rice in this cup would be enough for one person. I am going to keep 4 small cups. Now I am going to wash it. So I have washed the rice. I added 4 small cups of rice. Now I am going to add 8 small cups of water. So I have added everything. Now I am going to keep it in the rice cooker for cooking. So you can choose the rice option, but I normally choose the on-demand pressure option for 16 minutes. If you are not using an electric rice cooker, you can use a regular pressure cooker and let it cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Thank you and enjoy cooking.